Welcome to the Financial Markets Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about forex, crypto, and the stock markets. On this channel today, we'll learn about Monero as a crypto asset. Monero was launched in 2014 and its goal is simple: to allow transactions to take place privately and with anonymity. 7 developers were initially involved in creating Monero, 5 of whom decided to remain anonymous. There have been rumors that XMR was also invented by Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin. Even though it's commonly thought that BTC can conceal a person's identity, it's easy to trace payment back to the original source because blockchains are transparent. On the other hand, XMR is designed to obscure senders and recipients alike through the use of advanced cryptography. The team behind Monero says privacy and security are their biggest priorities, with ease of use and efficiency coming second. It aims to provide protection to all users, irrespective of how technologically competent they are. Overall, XMR aims to allow payments to be made quickly and inexpensively without fear of censorship. What makes Monero private? Users shouldn't view all privacy cryptocurrencies as interchangeable or equivalent services because they don't all achieve privacy in the same way. For instance, XMR should be considered a technology that, when used properly, obscures users' data on the blockchain, making it harder to identify its users. What gives Monero value? The secrecy and anonymity offered by Monero are what most users find valuable. It gives people the freedom to conduct cryptocurrency transactions anytime they want for any purpose without being concerned about being watched by the government, hackers, or other outside parties. XMR coins cannot be traced, so they cannot be blacklisted by businesses for alleged illicit connections. Investors who think that demand for privacy will rise in the future, raising the price and total market cap of XMR, may find value in Monero in addition to its use as a medium of exchange. Mining on Monero. Monero uses a proof-of-work algorithm, randomly X, to validate transactions. The method was introduced in November 2019 to replace the former algorithm Kryptonite. Both were designed to be ASIC resistant. Monero can be mined somewhat effectively on commercial grade hardware such as x86, x86-64, ARM, and GPUs. A design decision that was based on Monero's opposition to mining centralization that ASIC mining creates. However, it has also resulted in Monero's popularity among malware based on non-consensual miners. In October of 2021, the Monero project introduced P2Pool, a mining pool running on a sidechain that gives participants full control of their node as with solo mining configurations. What makes Monero unique? There are several things that makes Monero unique. One of the project's biggest aim is achieving the greatest level of decentralization possible, meaning that a user doesn't need to trust anyone else on the network. Privacy is achieved through a few distinct features, whereas each Bitcoin in circulation has its own serial number, meaning that cryptocurrency usage can be monitored. XMR is completely fungible. By default, details about senders, recipients, and the amount of crypto being transferred are obscured. A Monero advocate says this often an upper hand over viral privacy coins such as Zcash, which are selectively transparent. Obfuscation is achieved through the use of ring signatures. Here, past transactions output are picked from the blockchain and act as decoys, meaning that outside observers can't tell who signed in. If landlord sending 200 XMR to Susan, this amount could also be split into random chunks to add a further level of difficulty. To ensure the transactions cannot be linked to one another, stealth addresses are created for every single transactions that are only used once. All these distinctive features have led to XMR being increasingly used for illicit transactions instead of Bitcoin. Especially on darknet markets, governments around the world, especially the US, have also offered hundreds of thousands of dollars to anyone who can crack Monero's code. How is the Monero network secured? One of Monero's main goals has to prevent centralization, and this network uses a consensus mechanism called Kryptonite, which is based on proof of work, and this prevents large mining farms from becoming a dominant force. Monero's was in the crypto market. Monero trades in the crypto market with the symbol XMR. The live Monero price today is $153.80 with a 24-hour trading volume of $47,507,231. The current coin market cap ranking is 23 with a live market cap of $2,810,976,679. It has a circulating supply of 80,276,870 XMR coins. Where can you buy Monero? Because of its nature as a privacy coin, XMR is listed on some major exchanges. For example, although you can buy XMR on Binance, it's not supported by Coinbase. With this, we've come to the end of the video for today. Kindly share with us your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share after watching. Thank you.